Righty, number 43, find the integral of 3 cosec squared angle 2x minus 1 with respect to dx. First thing you'll do is remove the 3, take it out, so 3 times the integral of this thing. And then I think you should go to a formula sheet here, scroll down to here, zoom in on this. Now that does say differentiation. Let's put you over there. Okay, so here's the one we need to look at here, this one here, cosec. Now, note it says negative cosec. So differentiate cot goes to that. If we were to integrate negative cosec, we'd get positive cot. Okay, so keep that in mind. But this actually is positive cosec. Here it was negative cosec. So in essence, what you've got to do is just bring the minus sign over here. You could write under here negative cot x equals positive cosec squared x. Okay, so that's the challenge. That's the hard bit right there. So you've gone to the formula sheet, you've found the key to the puzzle, and straight away you can write positive cosec squared of an angle goes to negative cot of that angle. And don't forget there's integrations. We're going to divide by 2. Now, why do you do that? It's just instinctive. Hold that thought. Yep, you just divide by 2. Any of the angle thing comes down here. And if you times that through, you're going to get negative 3 over 2 cot angle 2x minus 1 plus the constant integration. So maybe the issue here is, why did you divide by 2? Well, here's one way of looking at it. Let's just check that this answer is correct. Okay, here obviously the answer has this divide by 2 component. So how do you check? Well, you differentiate this. If we differentiate that, our derivative should be back to this thing here. So let's just check that. So we're going to say that's our expression. We're going to say y equals. I'm going to let u equal the angle bit here. Therefore, y equals negative 3 over 2 cot of u plus our constant. Now, don't forget a constant. The c could be anything. Could be minus 1, minus 10, plus 25, whatever. The plus c bit and how to get rid of it is called a definite integral, and that's in the next module workbooklet. Okay, so back to here, du by dx is 2, dy by du, what does cot go to? There we have it. A negative cot goes to that. So, sorry, a cot goes to negative that. A negative cot would go to positive cosec sine. Oops. Okay, so there we have it, that bit there. Let's just change pens. This section here has given me, this section here has given me the negative. And what do you notice? Negative gives you a positive, and we get 3 over 2 cosec squared u. And what's u? Oh, hang on. So that's the partial derivative dy by du. The whole thing, the chain rule, that times that. So the 2 and the 2, as we're shown here, cancel out. What's left? 3 cosec squared angle 2x minus 1. And obviously the constant term over here just disappeared, because when you differentiate a constant term, it goes to nothing. And I think you'll agree that there is that expression there. So that is correct.